If you suffer from several health problems such as osteoporosis, obesity, or high blood pressure, and you can't manage your life normally, this thing must be in your home, and you must take it constantly, as well as diabetics and those who suffer from prostate diseases that affect desire and weakness in men. This video is for all of you to learn about the hidden secrets and amazing solutions to many health problems without spending a lot of money. All of this and more lies in the multiple benefits of consuming apple cider vinegar. Watch this video to the end to learn the correct way to take apple cider vinegar, as many people make mistakes when taking it, as apple cider vinegar contains many secrets and important information that you didn't know before about its benefits for your body and health. But before we start, if you have taken apple cider vinegar, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Let's now explore the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar for your health. First, it speeds up the digestion process. Apple cider vinegar helps a lot to increase the efficiency and speed of the digestion process by maintaining the level of stomach acid at the required level, as apple cider vinegar has an effective effect in increasing and strengthening stomach acid and increasing the secretion of bile juice from the gallbladder and stimulating the pancreas to secrete digestive enzymes, all of which helps to treat symptoms associated with indigestion, such as bloating and gases caused by harmful bacteria in the stomach and colon. But beware of something very important, which is that you should not take apple cider vinegar if you have a stomach ulcer, because the harm to the body then will be greater than the benefit. Second, it helps to get the most out of the vitamins in food. Many people who suffer from health problems such as osteoporosis, high blood pressure, muscle tension, stress, and anxiety are all due to a lack of vitamins and minerals due to the body's inability to fully absorb most of the minerals and vitamins in food. Therefore, one of the most important benefits of apple cider vinegar is to increase the body's ability to fully absorb proteins, vitamins, and minerals in food, such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Third, it contributes to the treatment of prostate diseases and erectile dysfunction. Apple cider vinegar also improves the ability and strength of men indirectly, as it relieves stress and also helps in reducing excess weight and treating type 2 diabetes patients, as all of these factors lead to erectile dysfunction. In addition, according to a previous study, apple cider vinegar enhances fertility as it helps increase the number of sperm and their ability to move, and also increases the rate of secretion of the male hormone, testosterone. Apple cider vinegar is characterized by its high content of quercetin, a compound that helps increase the flow of oxygen-rich blood to all organs of the body, which improves strength for men while performing any tasks, in addition to treating fatty liver and helping it get rid of excess hormones such as estrogen, the main cause of weak desire, erectile dysfunction, and prostate enlargement. Fourth, it participates in the treatment of diabetes and obesity patients. Apple cider vinegar plays a pivotal role in treating people who suffer from insulin resistance, which causes increased insulin secretion in the body and makes the patient feel a constant desire to eat large amounts of food, especially sugars. Therefore, including apple cider vinegar in your diet regulates blood sugar levels, especially after meals that contain starches and sugars, and helps you get rid of symptoms associated with insulin resistance syndrome, such as constant hunger, desire to eat sugars, sleep, and lethargy after eating. Therefore, apple cider vinegar is considered one of the catalysts for reducing excess weight and also treating obesity due to its partition in increasing the rates of burning fat in the body and suppressing appetite. Fifth, it contributes to the treatment of esophageal reflux. A lack of stomach acid leads to relaxation of the stomach valve during digestion of food, which leads to the reflux of some acids into the esophagus, which is called esophageal reflux. So, apple cider vinegar is used to treat some cases of esophageal reflux because it regulates the level of stomach acid and strengthens and helps prevent the stomach valve from relaxing during the digestion process, which reduces the chance of stomach acids returning to the esophagus and thus getting rid of the persistent feeling of acidity. Sixth, antibacterial and antimicrobial, treats dry skin and removes scalp dandruff. Apple cider vinegar is considered a sterilizer because it raises the level of stomach acid and kills all harmful bacteria that cause many diseases and germs that come through the mouth, and it also helps in treating many health problems such as nail fungus, lice, and ear infections, and it is also used in disinfecting and cleaning wounds. Also, apple cider vinegar, when mixed with water and used on the skin, provides many benefits for the skin and also treats dry skin. And it helps in restoring the natural acidity balance of the skin due to the presence of acetic acid, which makes the growth of fungi in the scalp more difficult. So it helps in treating dandruff, itching, irritation, and acne. But it is important before using apple cider vinegar on the skin, especially with children, to first conduct a sensitivity test on a small area of the skin and leave it for 24 hours to ensure that there are no inflammations or irritations to the skin. Seventh, maintaining heart health. Apple cider vinegar helps reduce total cholesterol levels as well as triglycerides, according to a study that proved this. In addition, another study studied the effects of consuming apple cider vinegar on people who follow a low-calorie diet. The study took 12 weeks and resulted in a decrease in triglycerides and total cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar was also proven to be effective in maintaining heart and artery health significantly in a few days. After we knew the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar for the body and general health, what are the specifications of the required apple cider vinegar? You should never buy apple cider vinegar except from reliable sources. The apple cider vinegar must be with mother, organic, raw, and unpasteurized. These are the optimal specifications for apple cider vinegar. Otherwise, it will not give you good results. How do we take apple cider vinegar, and when do we take it? Add a spoonful of apple cider vinegar to 100 milliliters of water, stir well, and take this mixture daily before eating in the morning or half an hour before main meals. You can also add a teaspoon of honey if you are not used to taking apple cider vinegar, as you will not like its taste at first. Finally, in this video, we discussed the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar for the human body, so I believe that you now have sufficient awareness and knowledge of the importance of apple cider vinegar and that you will change your diet and will maintain the continuity of consuming apple cider vinegar daily because of its great benefits and beneficial effect on your health. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.